So here we have this VEVOR tank rack. Now, full disclosure, it was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. Here's everything that came with it. It's just a bunch of powder-coated steel parts and some nuts and bolts. The assembly process was pretty simple. You just hand tighten the pieces on with the nuts and bolts, and if you're going to be using the standard size 20-pound propane tanks, then put one of the shelves every 12 holes. I will be using it for standard 20-pound tanks, but they can support up to 50-pound tanks. There we go, it's all put together. It took about 20 minutes. It's not the most solid shelf. It is a little bit wobbly, so a couple more pieces for X bracing in the back would have helped a lot, but there are these straps on the side that you can screw to the wall, and that eliminates most of the racking. Also, I'm not sure why, but I had a bunch of extra nuts and bolts at the end. The shelves are sloped backwards, so they hold the tanks in pretty well, but they also include straps just in case you want to be extra safe. You can put 3 tanks on the shelves, and if you want, you can also put an extra one up top. Alright, so I just put the rack in where I'm going to keep it and secured on the straps, and that pretty much eliminated all of the wobble. And that also ties it into the wall so it can't just fall over. The tanks fit in pretty tightly. There's probably about a ½ inch of space above them, but they're still plenty easy to slide in and out. So yeah, it's a decent little rack, and it's definitely a good way to organize your propane tanks.